In this video, I show you how to repair your Twitter links on your homepage and suggest how other links may also be repaired in the same way. Coming up. Hi everyone, my name is Joe and on this channel I make computing and programming guides. Today I am showing you how to fix the Twitter logo that appears as a broken link on your homepage. This video is part of a series, so if you're following through, nice job. And for anybody that wants to see the playlist, then it's linked in the top right hand corner now for you. So in the last video I highlighted how to add links in your homepage. If you're on desktops and if you're on mobile, they'll go onto the About tab. And as you can see, the Twitter icon doesn't show properly. If you click onto the link, then it works absolutely fine, but the icon does not display properly. And as you already know, having a broken link anywhere downgrades the value and the look of a channel, so I'm going to show you how to rectify that today. You may also find that this works for other icons and other links that you're making. Today I'm talking only about the Twitter icon, but you can also try this for other icons as well. It's actually quite a simple fix. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're logged in to the correct account and then go to your channel homepage. Click on the Customize Channel button. Click onto the About tab and here's where you'll see all your links. If you click over onto the right hand side where the little drawing icon is, and what we need to do is remove the S from the URL which is displayed here. So this is my Twitter feed and I'm just removing the S from HTTP just here, and then click done, and as you see you instantly get the updated Twitter icon. And if we just go back to our homepage quickly, you now see the correct icon displaying. Now if you have other links that are doing the same thing, you can try either removing the S, or if it doesn't exist when you go to it, actually adding the S. The reason that this works is because the part of the URL that we're changing is known as the protocol, and the S stands for secure, and basically some companies require you to have the secure protocol whilst others don't. It's entirely the business's setup and nothing we as YouTubers can control. In Twitter's case, the most likely scenario is that using the HTTPS actually blocks the icon file from being used. And even though I've said that, please realise that I don't work for Twitter and I'm not fully sure why that actually happens, but I can confidently say it's something to do with their server setup. So guys, if you have any other comments or suggestions, then please leave them down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you found the video helpful and enjoyed watching, then give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I hope to see you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.